Yo guys, as you can see, the Xbox Game Pass has been added for free. I redeemed the code and we're good to go, guys. Oh my gosh, it actually works. Look at that. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free Xbox Game Pass. So what you need to do is get on your phone and go to this website right here. So the website is going to be ogcoupons.com. So let me just go ahead and type it in. So once you're on this website, guys, you are going to see quite a number of coupon codes. So what we're going to do, guys, is look for the Xbox Game Pass, because obviously that's what we want to get. So as you can see, there it is. So I'm going to press Get Code. Then I'm going to press the button that says Show Coupon Code. You can read about it, how many people have used it today, what rating it got. But anyway, guys, as you can see, it is now starting to generate my code. So let's just give it a second for this to load up here. So before we can get the code, we have to go ahead and press the button that says Get Full Code. And this will take us to the last step, which is the verification. So we have to download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official App Store. So I'm going to do Lumo VPN. It's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back onto the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So I'm going to do Travel Town as the other one. It's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So now we're just going to wait for these to download here. So the VPN's downloading. So I'm just going to give it a second to run this right here, as you can see. All right, just doing some basic interactions, touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. So I'm just running this right here, pretty easy. So yeah, it shouldn't take that long. So I'm just going to do it for a little bit more here, as you can see. So now I'm going to do the other one, which is Travel Town. This one's a game. So I just got to go ahead and play through it, just doing some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. All right, I'm just running it. So yeah, the games, sometimes you have to reach a certain level on it, but that's fine. So I'm just going to go ahead and run this right here, as you can see. So let me just go ahead and do that. All right, just playing through it. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this, as you can see. All right. So I'm just running this right here. All right. So anyway, guys, once you're done with the verification, we should have the Xbox Game Pass. So let's see if it works, guys. We should be going and receiving our code. So let's go back to the page. And as you can see, guys, there's the coupon code. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in, and then I'm going to get the free Xbox Game Pass. So let's go ahead and press redeem now. And I'm going to go ahead and enter my code, and then we're going to have it. So let's go ahead and do that right here. So let me just go ahead and enter it. So I'm just going to go ahead and type this in, as you can see. All right, so let me just go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to type it, as you can see. All right. So let's see if this works, guys. This is the moment of truth. We're going to find out if we get the free Xbox Game Pass. So let's just go ahead and put it in, guys, and see what happens. So did it work or not? I'm going to press next, and as you can see, it says processing your code. So we're just going to see if we actually get the code, guys. So hopefully it works, but let's find out. All right, and bang, 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 code successfully redeemed. So be sure to try us out, guys. I'm going to see you later, but that's how to get free Xbox Game Pass in 2026. Super cool. So this tutorial fully works, guys, so be sure to try it out. See you later.